Hi kids! Welcome to part 1, week 3 in Science 4. Our objective for today is demonstrate the proper disposal of waste according to its properties materials. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I am your teacher Marielle.
And I am teacher Christine. And also, I am your teacher Geraldine.
So for today's new lesson, we're going to tackle about the proper disposal of waste. What have you observed of this picture? Yes, all you see are the foul garbages or waste. What is waste? Waste are unwanted or unusable materials discarded in primary use. There are two main categories of waste. Let me call teacher Geraldine to discuss what are the two categories of waste.
Hello kids! And now, these are the two main categories of waste. The non-biodegradable and biodegradable. So, first, let's learn what is biodegradable. Biodegradable are materials that decay through natural process made by bacteria and fungi. Example of biodegradable: waste food, peeled vegetables, and fruits, also dry leaves. Now, let's proceed of non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable are materials that do not decay through natural process. Example of non-biodegradable are materials made from plastics, canned, bottled, and now we have to learn the difference of biodegradable and non-biodegradable to make it easier to do the proper waste that goes out. So now, let me call teacher Christine to continue the discussion. What is a waste disposal? So waste disposal is collection, processing, recycling, or disposing of waste. Now, what is the proper way of disposal of household greens? Number 1 is segregation. Sorting of the waste into categories which is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Number 2 is composting, a controlled decomposition of organic waste to produce compost. What is compost? Compost is the organic matter rich in nutrients that can be used as fertilizer. Number 3, resource recovery is a collection of waste that can be regulated or reused. And throwing your waste, we have this what we are called waste hierarchy, which is an order of preference of action to reduce and manage waste. The waste hierarchy has what are called 3R. So let me call teacher Marielle.
The 3R is reduce, reuse, and recycle. The most preferred on this reduce and the least preferred is the one to recycle. Why? Because the reduce means avoid the minimize using something that I can cause garbage. Like for example, instead of using disposable cup, it will be better to use a reusable cup because disposable cup will throw after using it, while the reusable cup will remain usable and not added to the waste. Next is reuse. Means use the same item again or use the same item for a different purpose. Example, the bottled glass of wine can be used into a bottled water which usually put in our refrigerator. We can also use something a different purpose such a water container which can be used in the long term. That last one is the recycle. The purpose waste materials and use them to make new materials or products. Example, the old plastic can be recycled into a plastic chair. Always remember kids that each of us can waste such a plastic, container, newspaper, broken tires, food packages, and many more. And the waste we create can be harmful to a human. keep the environment clean, and our materials must be disposed properly by segregating biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
We hope you learned a lot of this video.
Again, I am Teacher Mariel,
And I am Teacher Christine.
and I'm your teacher, Drilly,
Saying that cleanliness is godliness.